I'm TradeRoads.com, SMP, and today I want to show you guys the Note 10 Plus. I just showed you guys the Note 10, and the Note 10 is a little bit of a smaller body than the previous Note. However, it fits the same screen size because it has less bezel. This is actually the same size, the same size Note as before, but the display is bigger now because it has the notchless display. So you can see it also has a larger battery, same camera aperture though, same S Pen, same techniques and everything like that you're gonna get, and the software tricks that you're gonna get in the standard Note 10. This just has a little bit of a bigger display, 6.8 inches versus 6.3, so about half an inch bigger in the Note 10 Plus, as well as that larger battery. So you got the power share feature. Still have the same features that you're gonna get in most Galaxies in 2019. However, this one is a little bit bigger than the standard Note 10. So I hope you guys have a nice day. If you guys have any questions, drop them off in the comments. If not, I'll talk to you guys in a later video.